Welcome to my channel. If you are new, welcome. If you are old, welcome. Today's video is sponsored by Ashimary Hair. I work with this company multiple times, y'all. They never disappoint. I definitely love this wig. I definitely love this green color. Not only that, the wig was 28 inches. So if y'all want to see how I got this look, then keep watching, y'all. I definitely love this wig.
He wanna fuck with her. Told me to pull up with her. He can't get enough of her. Damn. What? He wanna fuck with her.
Then dip me underway. Fill my mouth with flow. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe. And wash me over until my well runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, baby. Right up to the side of my mountain.
You must be made for me. Patience is everything. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Baby, more. I don't know why you love me. You got it bad for me, babe. I'm so glad that I can have this, baby. Nobody else true. Nobody else made this move. Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do. But right amount of love, right amount of trust, right amount of dick, right amount of slapping me up. Think that I'm going to fit. Right amount of love, play, right amount of talking to me. Oh, yeah, yeah. Feel it in my heart, feel it in my soul, feel it in my body, feels like you do know.
So this is the final look. I did end up putting it in a side part. I really didn't know what style I was going for. Previously, before this, I had a whole different style, so I just ended up doing this, y'all. As I mentioned, I definitely love this wig. I love the inches. I love the color. It was easy to install. I did not bleach the knots as well, y'all. When I say I love this wig, I definitely love this wig. I've been wanting to do green for a while, and I feel like this was the perfect wig. So everything will be in the description box. Will be everything. You can use my discount code to get money off if you're interested in shopping with them. Let them know that I did send you. Period. We at 50K. We on the road to 100K. Y'all know the vibes. And until next time, I will see y'all in my next video. Don't forget to go shop with Ashimary Hair and use that discount code sis. Everything will be in the description box.
He wanna fuck with her. Tell me to pull up with her. He can't get enough of her. Damn. What? He wanna fuck with her.